Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Coding with Tricks. Today we are going to see the problem maximum count of one from Codechef starter city food. Contest is already ended. This is just for learning purpose. Okay, so what we need to do in this problem is we are given s of I. We need to find that x, some new string. Okay, which will satisfy this condition that as x of I plus 1 would be x of I XOR with s of I. Okay, this is XOR operation, right? So, for example, what approach we are going to follow over here is that simply we have this string, right? So we will just, this is a binary, right? So binary would be bit would be 0 or 1. There will be two only possibilities. So what we will do, we will first assume that first character would be 0. We will find the string. Then we will assume first character would be 1, and we will find the string. And whichever gives us more, we can say whichever gives us a higher number of ones, that one would be our answer, right? So let me show you. For example, we have this string 0, 0, 1, 1. So first we will assume first character as a 0. Now we will do XOR 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, we are not we don't need to go to this last character. This will be sufficient, right? So this is first stuff. Now in next iteration, what we will do, we will assume first character as a 1. We will do XOR would be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now here we have occurrence of 1 is a 1, and here occurrence of 1 is a 3. Okay, so which one would be maximum? 3 would be maximum, so that one would be our answer. Now let's take one more example. 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so what we will do here is we will assume initially first character as a 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, and in next what we will do, we will assume first character as a 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, here we have occurrence of 1 is a 2, and here occurrence of 1 is a 2, so answer would be 2. Okay, so yeah, let me code it so things will be more clear. Let me put scanner okay, system.in while t minus minus is greater than 0 and would be the length of the string, and next we will simply take that string. Okay, now there will be two counter for 0. If we assume that initially first character would be 0 and counter would be for 1. In this we will assume that first character would be 1. Okay, now what we will do here, see, we assume the counters. Now for counter 1, why we start with 1? Because there would be already one in our list, right? We assume that the first character is starting with 1. So 1 is already there. Okay, so that's why we are starting with 1. So let me create a list for 0, and list for 1, in list of 0 we will assume first character would be 0 and in list of 1 we will assume first character would be 1. Okay, so now what we will do, we will run a loop. Okay, as I mentioned, we don't need to go to last character. So what we will do, str.length -1. We don't need to go to last character, right? As we see. Now here for that str character, we will convert it into string. Now this string will be converted to integer. And this one we are going to do XOR with list of 0.getId. Okay, whatever answer we are getting, we will simply store it in a temp. Now we will check this variable that if this temporary is 1, in that case we will do count of 0 plus plus, and after the loop we will simply add it. This 10. This we done for list 0. Now let's do similar for list 1. Okay, and at the end simply we will compare which one would be the maximum. So math.maximum of count 0, count 1. Okay, let me little bit trace it so things will be more clear. For example, let's take example of this 0. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are taking first character of string, and initially this list will have 0. So we are doing XOR of it. It is 0 to 0 XOR 0 will be 0. Correct. So temp is not 1. Right. So it will simply add in a list. Next iteration, what it will do, that it will take second character 0 XOR 0. Again it will be 0. So what it will do, it will simply add in a list. And next iteration, what it will do, 1 XOR 0. So answer will be 1. Correct. So temp would be 1 here. Right. Temp would be 1. So it will increase the count. So count of starting with 0, the occurrence of 1 is 1 now. Okay. So count will be increased here and it will be added in a list. So at the end we are getting our desired string. And we are getting our count also. So similar we will do for 1 also, and which one would be the maximum now we will print it at. Okay, so yeah, let me try to run the code. Okay, we need to do sc.next only. Okay, yeah. Now let me try to run the code. Okay, for sample test cases, we are getting desired output. Now let me try to submit it. Yeah, we got correct answer. See. So yeah, if you didn't understand the logic properly, I highly recommend you to watch my video again and again, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.